How to open multiple chart on TradingView.com. I will do this tutorial on my Windows desktop, but you can always do so on your favorite OS or your favorite browser as long as it is not Internet Explorer, because that sucks. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, okay? First off, without further ado, let's go to TradingView.com from your favorite browser. Go to chart. A prerequisite for this tutorial is that you have already subscribed as paid user on TradingView.com, okay? And to actually open multiple chart, first off, go to here, manage chart layout drop down next to the gear icon, and then choose new chart layout. As now, as you can see, you can change it. For example, I will view Netflix's stock here on Nasdaq. There's a sharp decline there, and now if you wanted to save the layout, you can do so. You can rename it to, or rename chart layout to something like, I'll change mine to backtesting maybe. You can change it to whichever or whatever you want, and from there you can save it. You can turn the auto save as on, for example, and if you wanted to load your chart, you can choose load chart layout, for example, and if you want to load it, just click it and it will open in different tab for you. And that's pretty much how you open multiple chart on tradingview.com. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you wanted us and simply how to cover, then please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, and I hope it helps you too. Take care.